Happy day class 6 students. Now we are going to start with our new chapter, chapter 5, fractions. In today's class we are going to see about fractions, fractions in a number line, fractions as a part of collection and fractional part of a collection. First let us see what is fraction. We have learned fraction right from class 3. So what are fractions? Any number which is written of this form is called as fraction. That is a number, a small horizontal line and a number below. So this is called fraction. What are fractions? Fractions are nothing but part of a whole. The whole, one whole is divided into equal parts and fraction represents the part of the whole. The numerator, let us look at some terms. Numerator. The numerator is above the bar in the fraction and it tells us how many equal parts of the whole or group are being considered. And denominator, the number below the bar in the fraction is called as denominator. It tells us the total number of equal parts. So here we have a whole which is divided into 3 equal parts and 1 is shaded. So it is 1 out of 3, 1 by 3, where 1 is the numerator and 3 is the denominator. Let us now see about the fraction in the number line. Before that, let us see this fraction, this whole. Let us consider this whole which is divided into 5 equal parts and 3 parts are shaded in it. How can we represent that in a fraction form? It is 3 by 5. 3 parts out of 5 parts are shaded. So the fraction here is 3 by 5. And how do we read it? The fractional number is 3/5. We read it as 3/5. Let us see how to represent the same fraction in a number line. We have 5 equal parts. Totally we have 5 equal parts. So the number line will be divided into 5 equal parts. 0 here and 1 whole and 5 equal parts. The first part is 1 by 5, 1 out of 5. The second is 2 by 5. Third is 3 by 5. Fourth is 4 by 5 and 1 whole, nothing but 5 by 5. So where does 3 by 5, the fraction, this fraction, where can we represent in the number line? It comes here. So 3 by 5. It is the number line representation of the given fraction. So the number line is divided into total number of equal parts. That is, according to the denominator, we divide the number line. Next, we are going to see fraction as a part of collection. Here we have a collection of wheels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Totally we have 7 wheels. In that 3 wheels are shaded. So what is the fraction of this collection? It is 3 out of 7, which is nothing but 3 by 7. Fractional part of a collection. Now let us see about the fractional part of a collection. I have a collection of Hatchimals here. In this, we need to find 1 by 3 of 12 Hatchimals. Here we are having 12 Hatchimals and we need to find 1 by 3 of the 12 Hatchimals. The 12 is the total number of Hatchimals in this group and 3 is the number of equal groups. 3 represent here number of equal groups. So we need to divide this 12 Hatchimals into 3 equal groups and each group will contain how many Hatchimals. That is the thing we need to find out now. So we are dividing this Hatchimals into 3 equal groups. Each group is having 4 HMLs. So 1 by 3 of 12 HMLs is nothing but 4. 1 by 3 of 12 is 4. This is how we need to find the fractional part of a collection. Children, in this video we saw some concept that we have learnt in the previous classes about fraction. So we will continue in our next video. Thank you, students.